This is Attorney Terri S. Herron. I wanted to come on to kind of give you some updates as to what's going on with some of the courts. I just got off a teleconference with one of the judges over in Fulton County. And for many of you guys that still have final hearings, what's happening is the judges are doing Zoom video hearings, okay? Zoom video hearings. I wanted to be clear about that. So it's a big difference between what was happening before and what's happening now, because before it was simply just the status conference hearing that we were having teleconferences and Zoom hearings on, which is really, some of the preliminary type things and where the judges were hearing certain motions. But now there are final hearings that will be heard via Zoom. So not for every judge, but for some of the judges. One particular judge that I'm aware that's doing it, that just told us that for a hearing that I have the early part of May, we will be having a Zoom hearing for the final hearing. So I wanted to make you guys aware. I'm getting a lot of questions as to what the courts are doing. So that's the reason I'm wanting to keep you aware of as to what's going on. Some of the judges in DeKalb County have started doing Zoom hearings as well. So I wanted you to be aware of that. And then even in the smaller counties, some of the smaller counties, I'm having motions hearings being heard via Zoom. So that's a good thing for that. On Tuesday, I actually have a Zoom hearing for Gwinnett County for one of the judges that I'm really surprised is doing this. But I'm glad that this is being done. And so a lot of people are asking, should I file my case now, or what's going to happen with my case? And yeah, cases are still proceeding, just so you know. Cases are still proceeding. And even if you're not at the point where your case is ready for a hearing, there's still other things that need to be done. There still has to be discovery. You still have to do mediation. There are so many things that need to be done in the meantime. But I wanted to give you that update. And if you guys have any questions, as always, please leave your questions in the comments. Leave your comments in the comments section and share this video. I'm Attorney Terri S. Herron here in the state of Georgia. And stay safe and remember to practice social distancing.